Hi everyone, this is Mayube and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share some of my thoughts on the PlayStation Portal. One of the reasons I picked up the PlayStation Portal is because I have the habit of leaning forward when playing games from afar. I tend to slouch. It is beginning to affect my posture. The space in my bedroom is limited, so I can't buy a proper gaming chair. The PlayStation Portal allows me to sit in my comfy chair and also play games while laying in bed. What I love about the PlayStation Portal is that I can play anywhere inside my home with Wi-Fi without pausing my game. While holding the PlayStation Portal, it has a very comfortable grip. The gameplay footage looks really good on the screen of the device. When charging the PlayStation Portal, avoid charging it on the console because it will not completely charge. I recommend using a charging block instead. Sadly, the charging block is not included in the PlayStation Portal box. Overall, I really like using the PlayStation Portal because it makes playing games more comfortable for me. I'm gonna play with this device longer to see if any other issue pops up. And that concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye!